Good morning, students. Let's begin our day with Gayatri Mantra. So, all of you, please close your eyes and join your hands and chant.
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति.
Well, students, I hope you all are doing very well with your families. You are paying attention to the studies. As in the previous assemblies, I have told you to put stress on certain things reading, writing, and now it's time for learning. But before that, are you sure you are attending the classes sincerely? I think no. Some of us are not attentive in the classes. See, the online is the new nowadays, and we all should be adapted by now. But what we are doing? Sometimes we are busy with personal chats, we are writing comments in the chat box, we are not attentive in the classroom. Students, what the parents can do? They can provide you with the things required for your studies, and they trust you, they love you. But we should be careful that we do not break their trust. हम सबसे झूठ बोल सकते हैं, अपने आप से नहीं बोल सकते. हम पेरेंट्स को शो कर सकते हैं कि हम पढ़ रहे हैं, हम फ्रेंड्स को दिखा सकते हैं कि हम पढ़ रहे हैं, बट हमें खुद को पता है कि हम कितना पढ़ रहे हैं. हम अपने आप से सच्चे रहेंगे ही रहेंगे. तो प्लीज़ जो बच्चे ऐसा काम कर रहे हैं, stop doing all these things, because now this is the high time to be concentrating on your studies. You know, mid of August is gone and less than 1 month is left in your half-yearly exams. In September, most probably after the first week of September, we will be having the half-yearly exams. And this time, as physical schooling is not there, so most probably we will be having the exams online. So please note down certain things, what we are going to cover for these exams. You will be given marks for assignments, for your notebooks. We will be having Viva this time for every child. And you will have the exam of objective type questions on your Google form. And we will be having subjective exam as open book test. Yes, open book test. So in my next assembly, I will tell you in detail class-wise how these exams will be conducted. So next week when we have the assembly, we all should be ready with a pen and a paper to note down the points. But by that time, make sure you start your studies, because Corona आज है, कल नहीं है, and the show must go on. We have to make a career, and every single day counts a lot. And time once spent is not gotten back anyhow. So please start your revision work, your learning work today itself. Have a nice time. Bye everyone.